Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm feeling a little bit under the weather and I have been feeling under the weather for like a good week or so. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a quick homemade orange juice. As you can see, I have 10 oranges. Specifically, I have navel oranges, but you can use any other oranges you like. What you'll need in this recipe are 10 oranges. You're gonna need a cutting board, a knife, and juicer. Now what I'm using is manual juicer. I'm manually using a juicer, meaning that I am doing it by hand. You don't have to do it by hand if you don't want. You can easily, if you have like juice presser, I think it's what it's called, you can go ahead and use that, but I don't really have that, so I'm gonna go ahead and make homemade orange juice by hand basically. You're also going to need paper towels just in case, you pour a little bit of orange juice outside the cutting board. That's fine, just give it a little quick cleanup. But yeah, let's get started. First things first is you're gonna cut the orange in half. So as you can see, I already cut my orange in half, and you're gonna go ahead and do this for the rest of your oranges. I also forgot to mention that you're also going to need a sifter. I'm using the sifter only because if there's any seeds in there that I want to get rid of and I don't want to use my hands or dip my hands in there, I'm going to go ahead and use the sifter. You don't have to use it. You can drink your orange juice with the pulp in it. I prefer not to. You can see right here, I have the oranges already squeezed in here, and I'm going to go ahead and use the sifter. Also, because I don't have a glass jar, I'm using this plastic container to store my orange juice in here. You don't have to store it in a container. You can go ahead and store it in a glass pitcher if you have any. I don't have any, unfortunately, so I'm using this for today. I left out 2 other oranges due to the fact that they're really hard and firm, and then cutting them and trying to squeeze out the juice would be impossible, so I have to like let them soften up a little bit. Sometimes it's easier to squeeze it by hand as well. I had to leave these 3 oranges behind due to the fact that they're really firm and hard, and getting any juice out of it is impossible, so it's better to eat it just by hand. Yes, this is my quick little homemade juice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm not done yet because I am going to drink some orange juice. So give me a little quick second, and I'm going to go ahead and finish pouring the rest of the orange juice into the plastic container. My little pint glass, which is, if any of you are a Star Wars fan, I am. This is a R2-D2 pint glass. I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of orange juice in there and start drinking my orange juice to feel better. All right, and this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna upload a video next week. Hopefully I do feel a little better. If I do feel better, then I'll go ahead and upload another video for you guys. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Stay safe, guys. I love you guys as well, and thank you for the support. Thank you for the comments. I love reading the comments, whether you know just thank you for everything. Um, Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.